Okay, all right. Whiskey Sour, Gin Fizz, and Tom Collins. What do they have in common? Well, there are three different styles, but they're kind of in the same family. And today I'm going to explain the difference between the three of them and make all three cocktails to show you what they look like. So if you want to learn more about this, stay with me and let's make a Whiskey Sour, Gin Fizz, and a Tom Collins. So I'm going to get right into it and break these three styles down the way that I see it. A sour is a base spirit, doesn't have to be whiskey or pisco, lemon or lime, sugar, and egg whites, and it's usually served over rocks, or as in the case of a pisco sour, it's served up. But here's the thing with egg whites. If you go back to 1887 and have a look at Jerry Thomas's Bartender's Guide, in his whiskey sour, there's no egg white. I think that egg whites were added to the whiskey sour in the early 1900s or so. But I think most people today will agree on that in a proper whiskey sour, there is egg whites. In a fizz, it's the same thing. A spirit, lemon or lime, sugar, egg whites, and it's served in a small highball glass, preferably with no ice, and just a splash of club soda or a fizz of club soda in there. And same thing with a fizz. If you go back and have a look at this book, there is no egg white in a fizz. If there is egg whites, it's called a silver fizz. But here's the thing. I've been a bartender for about 17 years or so, and never have I ever gotten an order for a silver fizz. I made plenty of gin fizzes though, and I've always made them with egg whites and never had any complaints. I think nowadays when people order a gin fizz, they expect that frothy, silky texture in the cocktail. And then for a Collins, you have a spirit, lemon or lime, sugar, no egg white, and it's served in a tall highball glass with ice, topped off with plenty of club soda. So it's very much like a sparkling lemonade. And the reason why it's called a Tom Collins is because it used to be made with a style of gin called Old Tom. I'm going to start with the whiskey sour, but remember, the measurements are going to be the exact same for all three cocktails. I'm going to start with 3/4 ounce of simple syrup, 3/4 ounce of egg whites, or in my case, I'm using AQUAFABA, 3/4 ounce of fresh lemon juice, and 2 ounces of your favorite whiskey. Now I'm going to dry shake this, which means I will shake it with no ice, and then I'm going to shake it one more time with ice. Okay, so for the gin fizz, we're going to do the exact same thing as the whiskey sour, but obviously use gin instead. And 2/4 ounce of your favorite gin. Same thing as the whiskey sour, I'm going to dry shake this, then shake it with ice. So for the Tom Collins, we're doing the exact same thing, but we're omitting the egg white. Old Tom gin, 2 ounces. So for this one, I'm not going to dry shake it because there's no egg white, and I'm just going to give it a quick shake because it's going to be served over ice and with club soda. Whoop whoop, and there you have them. 3 super easy, super basic, must-know classic cocktails. A sour, a fizz, and a Collins. And once you know these 3 cocktails and you understand the science behind them, it's super easy to switch them out to whatever you want. You don't have to make a whiskey sour. Try a tequila sour. That's delicious. Do a gin fizz. Switch out gin for, I don't know, vodka if you want, and muddle a couple of raspberries in there. For the Collins, why not switch out the simple syrup for a rosemary syrup or maybe a cinnamon syrup, and you have something else. The possibilities are endless. I truly hope you have a better understanding now for what a sour, a fizz, and a Collins is, but if you still have some questions, let me know in the comments. I'll see you next time. Bye.